Hi everyone! Today we're going to make Russian dressing. That's Russian salad dressing. It's the condiment that you usually find on Reuben sandwiches that you would get at a deli. It's also great on seafood, but it's wonderful on salads. And as you know, I like to make my own salad dressing, so come on, let me show you how we make it. Starting with a half a cup of mayonnaise, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And in here I have a half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. And now all we're going to do is stir this up. And just like that, you have Russian dressing. Thank you for joining me. I hope you tried this classic recipe for yourself. Let me know if you tried it on a salad, or if you make a Reuben or a turkey Reuben, or if you use it on seafood. And I will see you next time. Bye!